Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm working on some visors. I couldn't find anything online how to get these things apart to change them over to changing the headliner into black. So I want to change these black. How to open them up. There was really nothing online, so I just tried cutting it. Looks like they must mold it together from the factory. So it worked not too bad, except for I broke a little bit, but it should all glue back together, I think. So I'm gonna try to cut this one apart now. Try something a little different using a window cutter. See if that works any better. So I'm just gonna use this Milwaukee window cutter just for cutting up front windshields and back windows and stuff. Just gonna see if this will work any better. I just used a chisel before, a really thin chisel, but it kind of didn't seem to break through very good. So let's put it in here. So it did actually cut through pretty good. Looks like getting there. Okay, there we have it. It kind of mangles it a little bit, but actually this one turned out better than that, I'd say. A few cracks, but we'll glue it back together. It should be okay. It's kind of a bugger just in here where it's pretty thick, but all right. Just clean this up a little bit with a die grinder. Then I guess I can lay the fabric on it. I'll have to fix a couple little spots where it broke through here. But besides that, it should work. So now I got them both cut apart. I'm just going to use Dremel and just go around all the edges here, make sure everything's cleaned up. So it'll just make it go back together so much easier. And then I think I'll just probably glue around all this and just sandwich it once we put the material on the back. So now we got them all cleaned. I got them all cleaned up here and set out. I kind of just set the fabric out and just kind of cut it out pretty close. I'm gonna spray this glue on the back of both sides and then probably just wrap it around, and then once I get it wrapped, then I guess I'll cut it all out pretty close here. Once the glue sets up a little bit. So
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So once you're kind of happy with that, I'm gonna close it up now. So I'll just glue around all the edges where it was held together, and then I'm gonna actually clamp it, just because it'll be about 30 minutes before it'll be dry enough. So we'll just glue it here. It's got some of this speed grip. Stuff works pretty good. Got to kind of glue everywhere we kind of want it here. So just have to be careful and I just got it clamped up here. Give it about a half an hour and we'll do the same to the other one. Turned out pretty good.